Who am I? I am Mineo of instructor for the Gyotaku workshop at my studio, International Fish Print Studio. And Nadia finished nice coloring for the crimson sea bream already and applied heat iron to heat the ink into the polyester cloth. And I'm very happy to collaborate. I have a good chance to paint the eye for this Gyotaku. And I use almost same order of the color. Lighter color first, very light yellow and pink, orange, red plus brown for outside. And eyeball I will paint with blue. And for final I will add the black. But one small blank white portion for the reflection. Okay? Then I will start. If you're okay, you can sit down here. It's much better to look here.
Okay.
Okay.
I make a zoom on your head.
Then please use the paintbrush straight, not this way.
Okay.
Then first, little bit big eye. Not one time, little bit.
Okay.
Take time, not in a hurry. Okay, now this is outline and some gradation to inside. Okay, usually I use separate individual brush, but for short time I use the same brush for different color. Okay, then small line for eyeball. Red snapper's eye is not round, little bit triangle. Triangle. Can you see? Triangle. Okay. And please have some blank space outside of the eyeball. Can you see? Yellow and the yellow line has some blank white portion. Then I will apply little bit strong color, make the orange. Then continue to inside, make the gradation. Don't worry. Then more strong. You can see only the top or
Yeah,
brush
yes.
I'm using, not all whole body. So I will heal the
Graduation.
between the eyeball, some gradation. Now I am erasing the strong line, much soft. Okay. Then I may need some gradation for outside. Too much eye come up three-dimensional highlights.
Perspective.
So I'm talking with the crimson sibling. What kind of eye do you like? So he answered, I like Nadia, very, very beautiful, really from Tunisia, applied very beautiful pink, red, vermilion, and white on belly. I'm so happy. So, for paint the eye, please use with her technique also include to paint the eye. Then, okay, I will, as you expected. So I'm taking time. So you can believe when I painted the eye of the killer whale baby, 3 hours.
Very, very.
That's one. For making the gradation, almost no ink, just
Okay.
brushing. As ladies' cosmetic same.
Yes. You are a makeup artist.
If you see very fresh red sea bream, you will see the eyeshadow. But in this case, crimson has no eyeshadow.
Okay. Crisp.
This technique almost empty, and I import the ink from this line, then make highlight, contrast.
Very good.
Then I go to inside. But I use this brush to not sharp. Then I will change.
Okay. For something darker.
This one very sharp.
Wow.
Whoa, it's better. You see?
Yes.
You want.
Wow. Amazing. Good eyeliner.
Blue.
Eyeliner.
Important. So, so I am painting blue ink. Make some gradation to center, and I may keep white for reflection. This time I and you collaborated to finish, so I made two reflection here. Can you see?
Yes.
This one, reflection. Then you need more blue ink.
Wow. Amazing. I see the eye.
Then please keep bright space. Do you understand? I
Yes.
make the white portion.
Yes. because it's the reflect of the soul. Look like silver. Wow.
Then this is final black.
Mm. Amazing.
Front is Nadia. Small one.
Wow. Very beautiful. This blue. Magnifique.
And I didn't apply any color on eye reflection, but it's better to use little bit white.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Please apply by yourself. Great.
Very good. I liked. Wow.
How do you think?
Amazing.
Okay, so please don't afraid this oil, okay? And I like tooth.
Yes.
Tail doesn't need black line and blood here. Okay, perfect. Congratulations.
Thank you, Master.
Yay. Oh, we must take one pictures.
Yes.
Wait, hold.
Yeah.
Look at that. We'll make the video,
Yes.
okay?